Let's solve this equation. So we can write this as (10/81). So a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus 1. So this one is written as this. Now let's say 3x to the power x is equal to t. So what will happen here? T into 9 plus t is equal to 10/81. Okay, so this is a 9t plus t is 10t is equal to 10/81. Now this 10 and this 10 will be cancelled, so t is equal to 1/81. Now let's substitute the value of the t, which is 3 to the power x is equal to 1/81. 81 can be written as 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2, which is equal to 3 to the power 4. Now 3 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power minus 4. So x is equal to minus 4. So this is the solution of the problem. We know that 1/a to the power m is, we can write it like this, 1/-1, and this is what I have done. Okay, so this is the value of the x. Thank you very much.